everybody, this is Poyito Ganache, and today I'm going to show you how to chop up a cucumber. My last tutorial was chopping up these potatoes. So, cucumber today. Your slices will look like that. So, just like in a potato, you want to hold your thingy so it's like that. Let me back the camera up. There you go, get a side view. I'm gonna hold that down. And do a slice. As usual, it's probably gonna get stuck on the back of your knife. Don't mind that, and it's just a perfect slice of cucumber. We're gonna keep cutting. See, it gets pretty easy if you get used to it. Earlier, I cut this slice, and I want you guys to help me part. So, here's how you part. You put your fingers like that, with thumbs like that, one a little bit higher than the other, and you pull. There we go. Get back to cutting our... Oh, that was way too thin of a slice. Look how it came out. Anyways. See, you see how I'm cutting really fat? Well, that's why I want to teach you guys how you can make that fat really thin. Take it. So here.
Sounds like good stuff.
Like that. Another interruption. You're just going to do that to all the ones that are really, really fat. Yeah. There you go. It's like a watermelon peel right here. It's really, really fat. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. This is how we do it. We take the knife, get it lined up, and sort of shred it like that. So you have a teeny tiny little thingy. Peel. That's how you make a moon. So that's it that I was going to teach you today. Nice cucumbers. Delicious. And bite size.
Delicioso.
Interruption again. Anyways. I hope you enjoyed my video. Goodbye.